Audi, a legacy of excellence. Audi has a long history of making great cars. They are known for their quality and innovation. From the classic Quattro to the modern e-tron, Audi pushes boundaries. They blend performance with luxury. This makes them a top choice for discerning drivers. Audi's commitment to excellence shows in their SUVs. These vehicles combine practicality with style. They offer a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, an Audi SUV delivers. Audi SUVs are more than just vehicles. They are a statement. They reflect a taste for sophistication and a desire for adventure. With an Audi SUV, you're not just driving a car, you're experiencing a legacy. The allure of Audi SUVs, design that inspires. Audi SUVs are known for their sleek and sophisticated design. The lines are sharp and modern. The stance is both athletic and elegant. From the signature single-frame grille to the distinctive headlights, Audi SUVs command attention. The interior is equally impressive. High-quality materials create a luxurious atmosphere. The layout is driver-focused with intuitive controls. Every detail is carefully considered to enhance the driving experience. Audi's commitment to design extends beyond aesthetics. They use lightweight materials to improve performance and efficiency. The aerodynamic shapes reduce wind resistance. This improves fuel economy and handling. Power and precision, the heart of Audi SUVs. Audi SUVs offer a range of powerful and efficient engines. You can choose from turbocharged gasoline engines or hybrid powertrains. Each engine is designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and control. This system distributes power to all four wheels as needed. This ensures optimal grip in all weather conditions. Whether you're driving on wet pavement or snowy roads, Quattro gives you confidence. The transmissions are smooth and responsive, they shift seamlessly, maximizing performance and efficiency. Audi SUVs offer a dynamic driving experience. They are equally at home on city streets and winding country roads. A symphony of technology innovation at your fingertips. Audi SUVs are packed with advanced technology. The virtual cockpit replaces traditional gauges with a customizable digital display. This screen shows important information right in front of the driver. The MMI infotainment system is controlled through a touchscreen display. This system integrates navigation, entertainment, and communication features. You can connect your smartphone for hands-free calling and music streaming. Audi also offers a suite of driver assistance systems. These systems enhance safety and convenience. Adaptive cruise control maintains a set distance from the car in front. Lane departure warning helps you stay in your lane. These features make driving easier and safer. Section 5. The Audi Q5, where versatility meets performance. The Audi Q5 is designed to cater to a wide range of driving needs and preferences, making it a standout in its class. The Audi Q5 is a popular choice in the compact luxury SUV segment, known for its exceptional build quality and attention to detail. It offers a perfect blend of practicality, performance, and style, ensuring that you never have to compromise on any front. The Q5 is available with a range of powerful engines, including a plug-in hybrid option that provides both efficiency and power. Inside, the Q5 is spacious and comfortable, featuring high-quality materials and a sleek design. There's plenty of room for 5 passengers and their cargo, making it ideal for both daily commutes and long road trips. The rear seats fold down to create even more cargo space, allowing you to transport larger items with ease. This makes the Q5 a versatile choice for families and adventurers alike, whether you're heading to the mountains or the beach. The Q5 comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, providing superior traction and stability. This ensures confident handling in all weather conditions, from rain-soaked streets to snowy mountain roads. The Q5 is also available with a variety of advanced technology features, enhancing both safety and convenience. This includes the virtual cockpit and the MMI infotainment system, which offer intuitive controls and seamless connectivity for an enhanced driving experience. Section 6. The Audi Q7, a commanding presence on the road. The Audi Q7 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of style and power. The Audi Q7 is a larger SUV that offers 3 rows of seating, providing ample space for up to 7 passengers. This makes it an ideal choice for larger families or those who frequently travel with friends. It is perfect for families on the go, offering both comfort and convenience. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a daily commute, the Q7 ensures everyone travels in style. The Q7 has a commanding presence on the road, turning heads wherever it goes. Its robust build and sleek lines make it stand out in any setting. Its bold design and spacious interior make it a top choice in its class. The attention to detail in both the exterior and interior design is evident, showcasing Audi's commitment to luxury and performance. Like the Q5, the Q7 is available with a range of powerful engines, ensuring that there is a model to suit every driving style. From efficient daily driving to exhilarating performance, the Q7 delivers. This includes a plug-in hybrid option, which combines the best of both worlds, electric efficiency and gasoline power. This makes the Q7 not only powerful, but also environmentally conscious. The Q7 also comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, providing superior handling and stability. This system ensures excellent traction and control in all weather conditions, from rain to snow. This provides excellent traction and control in all weather conditions, making the Q7 a reliable companion no matter the season or terrain. The Q7's interior is luxurious and refined, featuring high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience. It is packed with advanced technology features, ensuring that drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained on the go. This includes the virtual cockpit and the MMI infotainment system, which offer intuitive controls and a seamless user experience. The Q7 offers a comfortable and connected ride for all passengers, making every journey enjoyable. With its blend of luxury, performance, and technology, the Audi Q7 truly commands the road. Section 7, the Audi Q8, the epitome of style and substance. The Audi Q8 is a stylish and sporty SUV that sits at the top of Audi's SUV lineup. It combines the practicality of an SUV with the sleek design of a coupe. The Q8 is a statement-making vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes. The Q8 offers a powerful engine and a sport-tuned suspension. This delivers exhilarating performance. The Q8 also comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. This ensures confident handling in all conditions. Inside, the Q8 is luxurious and tech-laden. It features a driver-focused cockpit with the virtual cockpit and the MMI infotainment system. The Q8 offers a premium driving experience that is both engaging and refined. Section 8. Safety first. Audi's unwavering commitment. Audi takes safety seriously, ensuring that every journey is as safe as possible. Their SUVs are equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. This includes advanced airbags that deploy in milliseconds, electronic stability control to keep the vehicle steady, and a rear-view camera that provides a clear view of what's behind you. Audi also offers a variety of driver assistance systems designed to make driving easier and safer. These systems help prevent accidents and protect occupants by constantly monitoring the surroundings and reacting to potential hazards. These features include Audi Presense City, a cutting-edge technology. This system warns the driver about pedestrians and cyclists, ensuring that vulnerable road users are always in sight. It can even apply the brakes automatically to avoid a collision, providing an extra layer of safety. Adaptive cruise control is another standout feature. This system maintains a set distance from the car in front, even in traffic, making long drives less stressful. Lane departure warning. This system alerts the driver if the vehicle starts to drift out of its lane, helping to prevent unintentional lane changes. These safety features give Audi drivers peace of mind, knowing that they have advanced technology working to keep them safe. They know they are protected on the road, allowing them to focus on enjoying the drive and spending quality time with their loved ones. Section 9. Awards and accolades, a testament to excellence. Audi SUVs have consistently earned praise from automotive journalists and industry experts. They have won numerous awards for their design, performance, safety, and technology. For example, the Audi Q5 has been named a Top Safety Pick Plus by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The Audi Q7 has been awarded Best Large Premium SUV by What Car? The Audi Q8 has earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. These awards are a testament to Audi's commitment to building exceptional vehicles. They demonstrate that Audi SUVs are among the best in the world. Section 10. A cut above Audi versus the competition. Audi SUVs compete with other luxury SUVs from brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. While these brands also make excellent vehicles, Audi differentiates itself in several key areas. Design Audi SUVs are known for their sleek and sophisticated design. They have a modern and athletic look that stands out from the crowd. Technology Audi is a leader in automotive technology. Their SUVs are packed with advanced features such as the virtual cockpit and the MMI infotainment system. Driving experience Audi SUVs offer a dynamic and engaging driving experience. The Quattro all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and control. These factors make Audi SUVs a compelling choice for discerning buyers. They offer a unique combination of style, performance, technology, and safety. Section 11. Experience the Audi difference. Audi SUVs represent the pinnacle of German engineering and design. They deliver a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether you're looking for a versatile family vehicle, a stylish and sporty SUV, or a luxurious and capable off-roader, Audi has a model to suit your needs. Visit your local Audi dealer today to experience the Audi difference for yourself. Take one for a test drive and see why Audi SUVs are a cut above the rest. You'll discover a world of luxury, performance, and innovation that is second to none.